Okay, good morning. We're now out at the pond by the Atlas Center. Same spot we did some follow me tests with the X8 and the Zino. And today we're going to try the Parrot. And what I've got is, I've got these little add-ons for the legs of the Parrot. They're from a place called Dirty J Designs. They're $9, $10, and they're 3D printed little feet and capsules that are supposed to prevent your feet from snapping, because apparently there's a weak spot in here and sometimes they crack. So what these do is they go on. I'm going to try and get them on here. If I can get them on properly. Anyway, they're supposed to fit on there, so I'm going to take some time, put them on, and show you when they're on. Okay, well, we got them on. They're a bit of a struggle. They're not that easy to get on, but they cover the bottoms and they cover the top, and they prevent this from separating. So they're all on, and they are a bit of a struggle to get on, I will admit. Once they're on, they're on. We're going to see if they interfere with the distance. Got my protector on here. Take this off. Got my bag. Everything in here. My controller. Piece of wire. And we're going to go like that. Okay. There we go. So, let's get her up in the air. Okay, we're out here at the pond again. I've got the Anafi all ready to go. Just want to start my video there. And I'm using Dew Recorder on my phone here, S7 Edge. I've had several comments on what recording device I use for the Android, and it's Dew Recorder. And Dew Recorder is no longer available in the Play Store, but if you Google search the APK, you can download the APK and install it, and it's one of the best I've found. And all I do is I disable the watermark, and you don't get the Dew Recorder on the bottom. And it seems to do a pretty good job, and it doesn't use much memory. I'd just be using these reading glasses because the brightness of the sun isn't that great. I got 93%. I've got the new stuff on there, the new little leggy arms thing. We're going to do a hand launch. And we're going to see what happens here. Here we go. Hand launch. There we go. And it's got the home position. I started the video. It's a little bit breezy. There we go. It's in sport mode. So we're going to go up. And we can point down a little bit. We're going to go up. We're going to go up to about 60 meters or so and see how far out we get. So we're up to 22 meters. We're up to 35 meters. We're going to head out towards that little training track. And we're going to start about 60, 65, 75 meters, something like that. Okay, let's go up to 70. That's usually what I do for the water tower and everything, so there we go. Okay, let's go out and see where we go. There it is. Forward, It's in sport mode. So we're going 7, 8, 9 or 10 meters per second. And I'm just going to keep this antenna, the flat part of the antenna, about where I think it's going to be in the sky. See how far I can get. And we're at about 300 meters. And this is with the new leg stuff on it. Now they're pretty tight on there. I don't think they're ever going to fly off, but I don't think it affects anything. So we're going to see what the video looks like when we come back. So we're out at 450. Everything looks good so far. 82% in the battery, 66% on the controller, and our GPS is all green, and we're up to 600. We're full stick forward, and we're out to 700. So that's not bad. 800. If I hit a kilometer, that's exactly what the Zino did. It was right around the 1000 mark, 958, 1010, and it cut right out. So we're at 950, and I still have greens. I don't have any reds in the GPS. It's hard to see with this sunlight, but yeah, we're past the 1 kilometer mark. So I'm keeping it down up. Yeah, it's way farther than the Zino and the Fimi. I have the Fimi here. I'm going to do the same thing with the Fimi. So if I get to 1500, I'm going to turn around, because that'll be a mile. 1600 will be a mile, and that's farther than I'd ever go anywhere. And then I'm going to do a return to home and see where it comes, and we'll go from there. I should be coming back with the wind, and there we go. We're just about done, so it's about a mile. That'll be about it. So down at 71%. Yeah, it's about a mile, and that's it. So let's hit the return to home. It's turning around. I can see a little map. Little guys with their motorbikes out here that technically aren't supposed to be here, but there's another one, and it's returning to home, but I don't have a visual on the video yet, but I do see it on this other screen. So let's look at this. Yeah, I see it there, and it's coming back. And boy, is it hard to see. But it is coming back, but I don't have a video feed yet. I can see it coming back. The little house is blinking there, so it's on their way home, and I know it's coming back because I can see it. It's just coming past. And we're down to 1,000 meters. I've got that. I wonder what I've got if do I have a picture yet? No, no picture yet. But the odd thing is I've got it on the map. So it goes out, and that was the fear of the Anafi anyway. Does it interfere with the antenna transmission once it turns around? Now, I found that normally it does the same thing anyway, but I've never had it last this long, because we're now down to 675. So, and I don't have anything on the screen. I have nothing on the screen for a video feed. So, yeah, I look kind of stupid leaning over like that, but I can't see anything. I don't have any video feed yet, and it's 440 meters. That's not good. So it's 300 meters, 283, and we still don't have a video feed. That's not good. We will go out again if we have enough juice and try it 300 or 400 meter out and turn around and come back, see what happens. It's returning home. I hear it, but I have no video feed. That is very strange. And it's right above me. No. So it should stop. Right about there, about 7 feet off. There we go. So where's the video feed? Let's see what happens if I unplug it, plug it back in. I get my video feed. Isn't that strange? Okay, so we've got 53%, so we're gonna go out 300 or 400 meters. Gonna go up again. We're gonna go up 25 meters, 30 meters. We're at 51%. We're going to go up to 50, 60 meters. Okay, we're going to go out. We're going to go out. Let's see, we'll go out 400 or 500 meters and we'll turn around and see if we lose connection again. And then we'll do another return to home. Or we'll just come home. But we're out at 300 meters. We're 64 meters up, so it'd go about a mile. That's enough for here. That's pretty good for here. 380, 400 meters. So around the 600 meters, I'll turn around and see if I lose the video connection. So there's 550, and there's about 600. We'll stop there. We'll do a slow turnaround, and we'll just drop the camera a little bit. There we go. Turn around. And we'll come home. And we're at 10 meters per second, so the wind must be pushing it a little bit. So we didn't lose it that time. I have no explanation. I don't know. We did know that we unplugged it and plugged it back in again, and it worked. So if anybody can assist with that, it would be appreciated. We're just going to come back and land it. Yes, I'm going to try a hand catch this time. And we're at 220 meters. We're just on this side, just about there, I think. That's where we're at. We're at 130. We're at 38%. Pretty good. I bring it down at 25. That's fine. There it goes. It's right above us. And we're just going to bring it down. And see if we can do a hand catch. It's got grass here, so it shouldn't be too bad. If not, I'll just flip it over and register another crash. But Parrot doesn't care about that, and I don't have any warranty on it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Here it comes. And we're here. Come forward. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's turn it around. Well, yeah, you got to come forward a little bit here. Okay, turn it around. And I'm gonna grab right underneath. Right here. No. I'm gonna twist it. There we go. It didn't land. Okay. The video turned off. I'm gonna turn this off. And we're gonna turn this off.